Rights of the Rule 115, Right of the Accused. Section 1, Right of the Accused at the Trial. In all criminal proceeding, the accused shall be entitled for the following rights: to be presumed innocent until the contrary is proved beyond reasonable doubt, to be informed of the nature and the cause of the accusations against him, to be present and defend in person by counsel at every stage of proceeding from arraignment to promulgation of judgment. The accused may however waive his presence at the trial pursuant to the stipulations set forth in his bill, unless his presence is specifically ordered by court for the purposes of identification. The absence of the accused with a justifiable cause at the trial of which he had notice shall be considered a waiver of his right to be present thereat. When accused under custody escape, he shall be deemed to have waived his right to be present on all subsequent trial dates until custody over him is regained. Upon motion, the accused may be allowed to defend himself in person when it sufficiently appears to the court that he can properly protect his right without the assistance of counsel. To testify as a witness in his own behalf but subject to cross-examination on matters covered by direct examination, his silence shall not in any manner prejudice him. To be exempt from being compelled to be a witness against himself. To confront and cross-examine the witnesses against him at the trial. Either party may utilize as part of its evidence the testimony of a witness who is deceased out of or cannot with due diligence be found in the Philippines, unavailable or otherwise unable to testify, given in other case or proceeding judicial or administrative involving the same parties in subject matter, the adverse party having the opportunity to cross-examine him. To have compulsory process issued to secure the attendance of the witnesses and the production of other evidence in his behalf. To have speedy impartial public trial, to appeal on all cases allowed and in the manner prescribed by law.